Hi there, my name is Dimitris Charalambidis. I'm a mathematics teacher, and in this video, which is actually the second part in my series regarding the two-wave frequency tables, we will talk about joint probability. At first, allow me to give you a short, simple definition. Given a two-wave frequency table, like the one we have in front of us in the following example, a joint probability is or can be defined as the likelihood, as the probability of two events happening at the same time. Let's see it through the following example. It's the common example that we have in all these series, where the two categorical data that we examine are the person's role in a campus, whether it's a student, a teacher, or a parent, and that person's drink preference, whether it prefers tea, water, or cola. We have the frequencies, we have the totals, so we are ready to answer on any question regarding a joint probability. How will this question look like? We will be asked to calculate the probability of a randomly selected person to be a student, let's say, and preferring tea. We know that probability of an event is defined as the quotient of the number of times that satisfy this event over the total number of outcomes. Here, assuming that we randomly select one person, there are 125 different outcomes, different such selections. How many of these, however, satisfy what I need? In how many of them we will get a student that prefers tea? It would be, obviously, in these 16 cases. So the probability of a randomly selected person being a student that likes tea is equal to 16 over 125. Similarly, the probability of a randomly selected person being a teacher who prefers to drink cola would be, let's color it with a different color, teacher and cola. Teacher and cola, we would have 15. Out of how many? Still, we have the same selections. 15 out of 125, and so on. Also, for example, the probability of a randomly selected person being a teacher who prefers tea would be 12 out of 125, and so on. And that would be all. To review, just remember that a joint probability is the probability of two, or it could be more, of two, in a two-way frequency table, it should always be two, of two events happening at the same time, and all it takes is to spot that number that satisfies both these two values, and then divide that number by the total sample's size. If, however, you face any difficulties or you have any questions, please welcome to leave your comment below the video. As always, thank you for your time.